Southeast on me in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, now. Gago. Ready hell unit when they walk in, guys, okay? Do not let them walk in. Into full spread, ready pop your potion. Definitely. Walk outside, full push him. Walk outside and spread, walk outside and spread. Walk outside and full spread, guys. Full spread. Don't die, guys. Don't die.
Nasa
Come back a little bit.
pinaka-northeast na sila. One spin away.
Come back a little bit.
Moving uli ah.
They're gonna look soon. Okay, find my crown, guys. East side.
Nasa
Wait.
pinaka-northeast pa.
Ready, guys. Spread more.
Ikaw ang engine nito, double ah.
Spread more, guys. Spread more.
Nasa Gabi. Nice GA.
Guys, east side on me in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. No.
Silence ko na rin.
Okay, keep pushing and spread. Full push and spread. Ditang strap around them.
Nag-rotate sila sa choke ah.
Ditang strap around them. Careful,
Going down sila sa
choke.
choke ng northeast. Ito, dito sila mag-engage ah.
Keep wrapping around them. Wrap around them. Ready to defend on the front. Left. Full push out. Push them. GA them now.
Super ride. One ba?
Okay, side 3, 2, 1. No.
Wipe mo na dapat.
Full push up, guys. They're broken already.
Pag na-buff, masa-silence ka pa.
Push.
Silence ko na ngayon. Para hindi naman
Push.
pag-boots.
Keep pushing them. Don't let them run. Just push them. Drop random east.
Full
3,
run na
2,
to.
1. Ba't may namatay doon? Saan
Double
7-3?
wall.
Sa south.
Huwag niyo patayin si Super Rai, guys. Huwag niyo Super Rai.
Guys, Silva already called, guys, that they're gonna engage on the choke. He didn't pop your defensive or everything.
Guys, something.
Ilan namatay doon?
Isa lang.
Tatlo ata.
Dalawa.
Isa lang ba?
Dalawa.
Iba yung... Ay, hindi ko ako dalawa. Small bit kasi.
Nasa yung wood na wood.
Dubangin mo na lang yan, kaya niluto mo nakaraan. Scrap yun.
Loot. Saan yung loot?
Bird. Hello, Bird. Mura lang. Bird.
Okay lang. Parang ang pinaka-problema doon, kaya hindi nyo na-run over agad. May mga detams na masyado malapit na dismount sa may southeast, hindi sa pinaka-northwest or northeast para makato. Pero dapat na hold yun. Ang i-expect nyo guys lagi, if you're a detank or a stopper, if they have guard rolls, if they're kite comp, they will always have phase scale roam, purity roam, so you're gonna get pushed. So you have to wait for the perfect timing, or you're just gonna get pushed. Which is yun yung nangyari ganun na.